In this video, I'll be showing you how to find and fingerprint GraphQL endpoints for your bug bounty or pen test engagements. Let's get right into this. We'll be using a tool called Graphw00f, and what this tool does is it uses a word list of common GraphQL endpoints, and it makes a request of these paths to see if there are any GraphQL endpoints on that path, and after that it fingerprints the particular path to find the particular technology used on that endpoint. So let's see how we can get this installed and use this. So if we scroll down here, we can find the instructions. So I'm just going to copy this. So make sure you have Python installed for this. I'll clone this on my desktop. Then let's cd into Graphw00f. It's ls clear directory, and we have this installed. So these are the options here. You want to run this with main.py, and let's find the word list so we can see what we have here. Helpers. So if you scroll up here, you can see the word list it uses here. So you can, if you have a bigger word list, you can add them here, and with that you'll be able to find more possible endpoints. So let's clear this and let's go back and let's see how we can use this. So main.py-d, so D is detect mode, and F is fingerprint mode, then T is for the URL, the target URL, and yeah, that's the basic options you have here. Python main.py-h, so we can show the help options here, and let's just run this with the basic options. And I have some example GraphQL endpoints. So these are just demo endpoints you can use to research. So let's put it in here, and we'll remove the slash at the end, and let's run this. So it found a GraphQL endpoint on the GraphQL/GraphQL path, and let's see if it finds anything. Yeah, it discovered the GraphQL engine Apollo, and it shows you an attack surface matrix, and you have the home page here, and you have the technologies used here. So these are the basic fingerprinting stuff the tool does. Let's see what this looks like. And we have these GraphQL endpoints here. So that's how to use Graphw00f. That's how to find GraphQL endpoints for your bug bounty or pen test engagements. So that'll be all for this video. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you learned something new from this, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in another video.